In this video, we shall be looking at how to solve questions involving domain and range of a function. You can check out our previous video for a guide. In the video, we explained various cases to consider while solving domain and range. Consider this example. If f of x is equal to x divided by x squared minus x minus 6, and we're asked to find the domain of this function. To solve this, we have to set x squared minus x minus 6 not equal to 0. And we can solve this using a factorization, since this is a quadratic equation. The coefficient of x squared here is 1, and the constant here is minus 6. Therefore, we have to look for a number, and when we multiply it to give us minus 6, and if we add it up, it will give us minus 1. And this number should be 3 and 2. It is minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 multiplied by 2 will give me minus 6, and minus 3 plus 2 will give me minus 1. Therefore, I have x squared minus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is not equal to 0. Then, if I factor out this, I have x to be equal to x into x minus 2. And if I take out minus 3 here, I have x minus 2 not equal to 0. Therefore, my factors are x minus 2 and x minus 3 not equal to 0. X minus 2 is not equal to 0, and x minus 3 is not equal to 0 as well. Then x is not equal to 2 and x is not equal to 3. This x not equal to 2 and x not equal to 3 explain that x can hold any other number except 2 and 3. Therefore, the domain will be half 2, 3, negative infinity, and positive infinity. This is minus infinity to 2, union 2, 3, union 3, infinity. So this is the domain. Consider this similar example to the previous one. 3x minus 8 x squared minus 9x plus 20. To solve this, we have to solve the domain, we have to set x squared minus 9x plus 20 not to be equal to 0. Because if it's equal to 0, the entire function will be undefined. Then solving this using factorization, coefficient of x here is 1 and the constant is 20. 1 multiplied by 20 will give me 20, and this is minus 9. We have to look for two numbers when we multiply it to give us 20, and if you add it up, it will give us minus 9. And the numbers are minus 4 and minus 5. I have x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 is not equal to 0. If I choose to factor out x, I will have x minus 4 and this is minus 5 into x minus 4, not equal to 0. My factors are now x minus 5 and x minus 4, not equal to 0. This implies that x minus 5 not equal to 0 and x minus 4 not equal to 0. Then x is not equal to 5 and x is not equal to 4. This means that x can have any other number except 5 and 4. The domain would be, this is 4 and 5, infinity minus infinity. This will be minus infinity 4 union 5 union 5 to infinity. Consider this example. Y is equal to 1 plus 1 over x. And the question is find the range of the function. We know that x is the domain and y is the range. So the question is, how can we find the range now? To find the range, we have to make x the subject formula. This is equal to y minus 1, 1 over x. And x now will be equal to 1 divided by 1 y minus 1. Setting y minus 1 not equal to 0, because if y minus 1 is equal to 0, the expression will be undefined. So y is not equal to 1. This implies that the range, this is 1 and minus infinity to infinity. The range will be any numbers that falls within from minus infinity, any numbers that falls within minus infinity to 1 and union 1 to infinity. So this is the range of the function. The next example is if f of x is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared, and we should find the domain. To solve this, we have 4 minus x is not equal to 0, and x squared will be not equal to 4, and this x will be square root of 4 rather. X is not equal to 2. Therefore, the domain will be, this is 2 minus infinity, positive infinity, minus infinity to 2, union 2 to infinity. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you have any question, feel free to email us via science-elearningacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.